Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making Sobolo Abelewals or Sobolo ice cream. Come with me and let's make this delicious, healthy ice cream or Abelewals. By follow to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's make this delicious, sensational Abelewals together. Sobolo or Sobo Abelewals together. Come. For ingredients, we'll be needing our hibiscus flowers. We have two types. We have the main flowers and also the little ones, because these ones, when you cook them, they really becomes really deep. So I'd like to use both brown sugar, vanilla extract, some evaporated milk, pinch of salt, and also condensed milk. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious, authentic Sobolo ice cream. We'll start by washing our hibiscus leaves. We need to wash it because it's coming from the market. It's very important. We'll go ahead and add water. The amount of water depends how thick you want it or the quantity that you are making. We'll go ahead and put on the heat and then we'll bring it to a boiling point. Guys, as you can see, our Sobolo has really thickened. You can see the color, it is really thickened. I will go ahead and put off the fire and then we will strain it. Let's go ahead and strain it. Guys, as you can see, the leftover Sobolo, I'm not going to throw it away. Hibiscus tea. I'll go ahead and add some pineapple peels and make my delicious Sobolo tea with it. It's very delicious. You never throw it away. Anytime you have leftover hibiscus flower, just make your tea or drink with it. So that's what I'm doing. I'll go ahead and add sugar. The amount of sugar depends on you. For me, this amount is okay because we're still going to add some condensed milk to it, and we all know that condensed milk has sugar in it. So, and then just this pinch of salt to bring the taste. This amount of salt is okay. We'll stir it and then we'll allow it to cool down before we add the rest of the ingredients, guys. We'll go ahead and add some vanilla extract for more flavor. I will add some condensed milk. The amount of condensed milk also depends on you, how sweet you want your ice cream. This amount for me, it's okay. And I'll add in my milk also. And then we'll go ahead and combine it with our hand blender. Our Sobolo ice cream is well combined. You can see how creamy it looks. It looks so creamy and delicious, guys. So we'll go ahead and then fill them in I'm going to use a plastic and then just fill them and freeze them. Guys, we'll go ahead and fill them. It's really looking very good. Our Sobolo ice cream is ready, guys. So we are going to put them in the freezer and freeze it. I'll see you later. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy Sobolo or Sobolo Abelewals or ice cream. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Kiss, kiss.